Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aqsa Ansar and I am from Government Associate College for Women Rawali. This college is located in Rawali Cantonment, Gujranwala. Here is a brief overview of our college. This is the front view, very beautiful and peaceful. On my right side is parking area and on my left side is sports ground, where students practice for different competitions and physical activities. The college started in 2004 in a rented building. At that time, there was no girls' college in the surroundings area. The people of this locality realized the importance and purchased land for the college. Later, the government funded the construction of this beautiful building. The college was officially inaugurated in 2008 by Mian Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, the Chief Minister of Punjab at that time. This is the administrative block, which consists of 12 rooms, including the principal office, staff room, and clerical offices. Here is the main hall or visiting hall where teachers of discipline committees sit to monitor classes and maintain discipline. We have 23 faculty members, including our worthy principal, Ms. Ambreen Ikram. All faculty members are highly qualified, experienced, dedicated, and hardworking. We also have 17 CTIs during this academic session. College offers various programs including humanities, general science, pre-medical, ATP, BS English, and computer science. This is the view of our academic block. Our academic block features 12 well-ventilated, spacious, and airy classrooms, providing a very comfortable learning environment to our students. We also have a well-resourced library for the students, an air-conditioned computer lab with high-speed internet facilities, and fully equipped science laboratories. In the chemistry lab, students perform practical work under the supervision of Ms. Sidra Sultan. In biology lab, Ms. Biha Imran guides students to perform well in their practical examinations. We also have a well-stocked dispensary to facilitate students, and college provides clean drinking water and facility of canteen as well. The college has achieved many goals every year. The institution shows improvement in academic quality, infrastructure, and student enrollment. This progress can be seen in the statistics. Currently, 1145 students are enrolled in the college this year. We also have conducted parent-teacher meetings right after the examinations to inform the parents about the progress of their children. Our students are performing excellently in various fields including medical, teaching, police service, and the clothing business. In sports, students perform very well under the supervision of Ms. Nabila Raza. Students have participated in many competitions and have learned important qualities such as discipline, time management, confidence, and leadership. They also have got many awards and prizes at divisional and provincial levels, as we can see this in these beautiful photos of different competitions. The plantation activities are conducted regularly to protect the environment and promote environmental responsibility. Students and teachers actively participate in plantation, learning the importance of trees in maintaining ecological balance, reducing pollution, improving air quality, and creating a healthy and clean environment. We celebrate our national days with great pride, respect, and patriotism. Defense Day is observed to honor the sacrifices of our armed forces and to remember the bravery of our martyrs. Independence Day is celebrated with national spirit and unity. We express our love for Pakistan through speeches, activities, and flag ceremonies. Kashmir Day is observed to show the solidarity with the Kashmiri people and to raise the awareness about their struggle and rights. Co-curricular and extracurricular activities are given great importance. The college organizes culture festival in a very traditional way to promote our culture and heritage among the young students. These are some beautiful pictures and videos of culture festival celebrated in our college. To entertain the students, college also arrange fun fair where students enjoy food, skits, and different other activities. Eid Miladun Nabi is celebrated every year with deep respect, love, and devotion. The college organizes special programs, speeches, and art competitions among students. The college also conducted seminars and civil defense training programs to teach first aid and emergency response skills. Now this is the beautiful view of academic lawns where students are sitting in their break time and enjoy the college life. The college aims to introduce more BS programs in highly demanded subjects, build a new academic block, and digitalize the library. A pedestrian bridge has also been approved for the safe crossing of students in front of the college. There is a strong need for government funding to further improve facilities and provide quality education to more students. This was the brief documentary of Government Graduate College for Women Ravali. We hope it will be helpful for the higher education department. Thank you.